In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clear, professional dashboard that surfaces the right information for your team at a glance. Start by heading to the Confluence space where you want the dashboard to live. Click Create to open a new page and give it a clear, practical name such as Project Dashboard or Team Overview. Place the page in a visible spot in the page tree, so people can find it quickly. Dashboards work best when they're easy to access. Before you add content, set up the page layout. Click Insert More Content, the plus icon, and choose Layout. Pick a multi-column layout. 2 or 3 columns are ideal for dashboards. Use a wider column for your main content, like KPIs or key reports, and a narrower column for summaries, quick links, or recent activity. This structure helps viewers scan information without feeling overwhelmed. If you don't already have Confluence, I've placed the official website link at the very top of the description so you can sign in or learn more before following along. Now, add dynamic building blocks using macros. Type the /key to open the macro menu, then insert tools like Content by Label to display pages tagged with a specific label, Page Properties Report to pull structured data from multiple pages, Recently Updated to show the latest edits and activity, and Task Report to surface open and completed tasks. Configure each macro with filters that keep results relevant. Filter by space to limit the scope, by labels to target content types, by contributors to highlight key editors, and by date range to show only recent updates. Enhance readability with visual elements. Use panel or info macros to create status sections that call attention to alerts, milestones, or highlights. If your site has chart add-ons, bring in charts to visualize trends. Add quick links to important pages or documents so stakeholders can jump straight to source materials. Use clear headings and consistent spacing to separate sections and guide the eye. Take a moment to refine the layout. Place high-impact widgets, like KPIs and priority tasks, at the top, and move detailed lists or reports below. Use consistent labels across related pages to ensure your page properties and content by label macros pull accurate results. Keep things clean. If a section feels crowded, split it into separate panels or pages to maintain focus. When everything looks right, click Publish. Share the page link with your team so they can start using it immediately. Set appropriate permissions to control who can view or edit the dashboard. And make it a habit to review and update the dashboard regularly so the information stays accurate, timely, and truly useful. Thanks for watching.